At Adaptec Solutions, our mission is simple. It's really to provide efficient and safe solutions so our customers can meet their needs.
You walk into a grocery store, you go and buy something to build your house. There's a good chance that Adaptec has touched that.
We help factories come alive, and it's exciting as a partner in the business to be able to help our customers find solutions that help their customers.
Our job at Adaptec Solutions is to identify the customer's points of pain, develop a solution that will alleviate that pain, and partner with them with our service and support.
We have a multifunctional team that consists of engineers and technicians from a mechanical, electrical, robotic, and control standpoint to complete installation and commissioning startup.
We have 120 plus service and installation technicians available 24/7 to provide robotics, automation, mechanical, electrical, and material handling services to our customers.
At Adaptec, we solve problems.
Nuestros sistemas de controles para almacenes mejora la confianza y capacidad de facilidades de todo tamaño.
We focus on being the employer of choice.
We provide opportunities for our employees to grow. This allows us to do what we do better.
I started here as an intern in 2008, and now I'm the senior controls engineer for paint and post.
Adaptec has a really bright future, and we're bringing on a lot more people. It's been really fun to get to know everybody and grow alongside the company as the company grows.
We believe in our people. Adaptec is a fun place, it's an evolving place. We've grown quite a bit, but we've not even touched the surface yet. Automation is here to stay, material handling is always a need, and services. We're all over the country with the best technicians that you can get.
If you need conveyors, we know conveyors. You need robots, we know robots. You need service, we've got that too.
We are a full life cycle company, right? I mean, we can design and engineer, we can install, commission, we can service and maintenance, and then we just continue that cycle, right?
We're one company with two focuses, our customers and our employees. 3 vertical markets with 4 strategic locations.
At Adaptec Solutions, the integrated systems we supply help factories come alive.
Adaptec Solutions, automation, material handling, and lifecycle services.